Hey everyone, welcome back to PrimePicks. Today, we're narrowing down the top 5 air fryers of 2024. Let's jump right in. 5. Cosor Pro LE Air Fryer. L501. Combining style and affordability, the Cosor Pro LE Air Fryer features a sleek LED touch control panel and 7 presets for easy cooking. While it may struggle with even browning, it's still a solid choice for crispy fries and succulent chicken wings. 4. Dreo Chef Maker. Precision cooking meets sleek design with the Dreo Chef Maker. Offering chef mode, classic cook, and probe-cook options, this fryer ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Plus, its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breezy. 3. Ninja DCT Forfeit 1 Nin Doubly Oven Air Fryer. Get ready for double the cooking power. With 2 separate compartments and 12 functions to choose from, the Ninja DCT 451 is perfect for cooking for small or large groups. While it may come with a higher price tag, its versatility makes it worth the investment. 2. Altenex K10 Smart Air Fryer. Perfect for beginners or those on a budget, the Altenex K10 offers app support and 11 presets for easy cooking. Its compact design and budget-friendly price make it a convenient addition to any kitchen. 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1. From the renowned makers of Instant Pot comes the Instant Vortex Plus, offering crispy fries and juicy chicken wings with ease. Featuring a built-in filter to reduce smells and a clear cook window, this fryer takes the crown for most users. There you have it, folks, the top 5 air fryers of 2024. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in to PrimePicks.